slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the
Hello
fakeness.
everyone,
If you
welcome
wanna
to a
play
brief
tough and
overview
wanna
of
hate
Multisoft
this, I'll
Systems
always show
Microsoft
up.
Azure AI Fundamentals
I don't
Training
ever
Course.
slow up, no I don't take shit.
Multisoft
I got no
Systems, with
love
over
for the
21 years of
fakeness. If you wanna play
experience,
tough
offers
and wanna
1,500
hate
plus
this, I'll always
courses,
show up.
partners with 10K plus experts,
Everything I do, so
serves
instinctive
2,000
and so
plus
passionate.
corporates,
Every word I
has
move
trained
so
1 million
descriptive, like
plus
an adjective. I got a
individuals, and
vendetta
earning a
against people who
4.5-star
patented
rating.
being negative when you should be getting
Here we share the
after it.
overview,
I
benefits,
got
and
facts over
facts.
facts over tracks.
Microsoft
Isn't
Azure
nasty,
AI
slow,
Fundamentals
spitting
is a
fast. I
training
can roast, I
course
can gas,
designed to
think I'm
introduce
okay and
learners
last,
to the
but I don't
fundamental
know if that
concepts of
can erase
artificial
all the past and the
intelligence and how they are
pettiness.
applied
A
using
reflection of
Microsoft
the
Azure
emptiness.
services.
Hilarious, you think you're with my time,
This
you're
course,
delirious,
targeting
mysterious,
beginners
because you
with
hide
little to
behind a
no
fake
technical
exterior.
background,
Inferior, you know
covers
I'll
core
always
AI
give it
concepts,
superior. Get
including
off of me,
machine
this ain't no
learning,
humble
computer
brag. I
vision,
want you to
natural
hear
language
words, you can say
processing,
them
and
back. I want you
conversational
to feel
AI.
free from the chains that last, and
One
to
of the
believe
main
in what you
benefits
got,
of this
it was
training
built to
is that it
last,
provides
yeah.
participants with the foundational knowledge needed to understand AI applications and creates a pathway to more advanced Azure certifications. By grasping these concepts, individuals can better strategize and implement AI solutions within their organization, which is increasingly important in today's technology-driven market. Research indicates that professionals who are trained in Azure AI fundamentals tend to show improved performance in deploying and managing AI solutions. Prerequisites. There are no specific prerequisites for the Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals training. It is open to anyone interested in AI, eager to learn about Azure's capabilities. What will you learn? During the course you will understand the core AI concepts and their applications, basics of machine learning and algorithms, essentials of computer vision technologies, fundamentals of natural language processing, introduction to conversational AI and chatbots, data analysis and visualization techniques, Azure AI services and tools for implementation. By the end of the course, you will gain deep knowledge about Azure AI fundamentals and how to implement it in real-time projects. Our Azure AI fundamentals subject matter experts have profound understanding of AI fundamentals, rich practical experience on real-world applications, extensive hands-on knowledge in the area of Microsoft domains, in-depth industry experience and expertise, delivered multiple training sessions to various clients. Additionally, companies that invest in such training for their staff report better innovation rates and quicker adaptation to new technologies. This certification not only enhances individual skill sets, but also contributes significantly to organizational growth and competitive advantage in industries leveraging AI technologies. Course assessment. In addition to our comprehensive training, we offer a complimentary assessment designed to evaluate course comprehension. This assessment employs a variety of methods including multiple-choice questions, short answer responses, and tests focused on problem-solving abilities. These diverse approaches ensure a thorough understanding of the course material and providing a well-rounded evaluation of participants' knowledge and application skills. Thank you for watching our video. We eagerly anticipate welcoming you to Multisoft's Microsoft Azure AI Fundamentals training, where you will learn AI concepts and Azure's tools, enhancing your skills in AI strategy and implementation.